Well, the world don't know. I'm Errol Dunkley, Original Ground Nation Foundation, International Jamaican Athletic Artist. And I know you're watching Caribbean TV. See me? Don't unplug it. Don't change the station. Don't move the dial. Boom shock.
Still here at the Chicago Jerk Festival, and we just witnessed another energetic performance. Now, I'm not sure who I want to interview here, if I want to interview Destra or Lucy. Because while Destra is fine, I can tell you straight up, I love Lucy.
Yeah, most men love Lucy.
Can I tell you that's one of my favorites of
Really?
songs? The first time I heard that song, I was totally blown.
Really, you know a lot of men like the song, but they don't like to sing the song because they think that Lucy is some girl's name. But you know you have Luciano, you have Lucia, so all men can be Lucy too. So now you know.
Can I confess?
Yeah.
I just listen to the song.
Gotcha.
All right, Destra, fabulous performance as usual. How was it performing at the
Oh, it was lovely. Always a pleasure performing for my Caribbean people. You know, but I really thought that because it was, you know, jerk, I'm thinking Jamaican, and when I saw the cast, and I'm the only soca artist here, so I thought, okay, maybe they won't know all my songs. Maybe they'll just know the popular ones, you know, like Lucy, It's Carnival, Bonnie and Clyde, da 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 da. But then I got up there and they were singing along to a lot of it, and then I got them to jump and wave and do all the crazy stuff that I, you know, so I'm like, you know what, I should have performed for an hour.
But then you did say that Jamaica is one of your favorites.
Oh, yeah,
So even if it was
yeah.
just a Jamaican crowd, it
Ever since. Yeah, but it's different going in Jamaica to perform soca than going abroad where you perform for Jamaicans. You never know if they're exposed to your music or not. But in Jamaica, you know that they hear your music. So, you know, they welcome you with like open arms. But every time I do festivals like this where you have a cast like this, I'm always a little bit skeptical. Not because I'm, you know, scared, but I just don't know what to expect. So I was pleasantly surprised by this festival, and I will be back again.
Okay, that's good to hear. You heard it. Destra will be back. You heard it for yourself, all right? Hey, Destra, great performance. It was good seeing you. Fancy talking to
Thanks
us.
for having me,
You know, continued success with your career. Don't stop, okay? I mean, I probably should ask you, after all these years, how do you still keep the energy going?
Well, someone asked me just now, after 20 years, how do I feel? I feel like it's like 5 years because the energy is still there, the excitement is still there, I still get butterflies before I go on stage, I still feel excited when I hear my songs on the radio. So I think the key to it is to just stay fresh, to stay in love with your music and in love with what you do. And that's how I feel each and every single day.
20 years, you sure about that? You sure it was like about 5 years ago? You don't look like you've been around.
I know, that's the trick right there.
Thanks. Congratulations again, and keep it going, all right?
Check, 1, 2. Destra! It's me they're calling. What's my name? Say Destra! Destra! Hey, now, if you're looking for somebody to come and rock your spine, just call my phone, dial my number, boy, anytime. Don't worry about getting none of them roaming charges, cause if it's good service you're looking for, well, it's me who have it. Just tell them to call me. Just tell them to call me. Inside of the vet, you want to get wet, all out on the road. In case you forget now, they call me the party animal. We jamming straight till morning. It's only me them calling. They call me the queen of bacchanal. It's only non-stop walking. Just hear the people shouting. Just call my name. What's my name? I just teach all them my name.